Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your battery fuse. First, always ensure your vehicle is off and the battery's negative terminal is disconnected for safety. Next, locate your vehicle's fuse box, which is typically found under the hood or beneath the dashboard. You'll need a fuse puller and a multimeter for accurate testing. Understanding fuse types, like blade or cartridge, will also be helpful. Finding the fuse box is your next step. Your owner's manual is the best resource for precise locations and diagrams. Most vehicles have a main fuse box under the hood and sometimes another inside the cabin, perhaps under the dashboard. Look for labels like main fuse or battery on the fuse box cover. Each fuse will have its amperage, such as 10 amps or 20 amps, clearly printed on it. Once you've identified a suspicious fuse, carefully remove it using a fuse puller or small pliers. First, visually inspect it for a broken or melted wire inside, which indicates a blown fuse. For a more accurate test, set your multimeter to the continuity setting. Touch the probes to each metal terminal of the fuse. A healthy fuse will show a reading of 0 ohms or beep, indicating continuity. No reading or no beep means it's blown. If you find a blown fuse, it's crucial to replace it with a new one of the exact same amperage rating. Using a fuse with a higher rating can cause serious electrical damage. Gently push the new fuse firmly into its slot. After replacement, reconnect your battery's negative terminal. Finally, test your vehicle's electrical system to ensure the issue is resolved. If the new fuse blows immediately, there's a deeper electrical problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.